Yes, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we have to learn basic EC2 instance create because all the Devops journey depends on the instance because every project we have to do with the help of EC2 instance. So don't worry, you we will provide a good knowledge about EC2 instance. So it is has been terminated, so we have to launch a new EC2 instance so that you can get a good knowledge about how to create a EC2 instance because it is a key of DevOps journey. First of all, you have to put the name of your EC2 instance name. uh, we are write DevOps hyphen journey hyphen dev. You can put any name so that it is a very important part of our EC2 instance. Amazon Linux, it is a image of, it is a operating system our instance, ठीक है. Amazon Linux, if you are using a Mac OS, so you have to choose a Mac OS. So we are going, I am going with the Ubuntu because it is a Linux server and you can choose anyone, but I will suggest you will choose a Ubuntu machine. Then next step is instance type. What is instance types? Instance type is all the suppose CPUs, memories. Okay, if you will choose a T2 Nano, you will receive a one CPU and 500 MB GB 500 MB memory. If you will choose a T2 medium, so you will get a two CPUs 4 GB memory. So it is a not a free trial eligible. So if you will choose, then you will pay a huge amount of money. Then you can see 0.9912 USD per hour. So we don't need to use T2 large. I am going with T2 micro. It is enough because it is a free tier eligible. So that next step is plays a very crucial role. We have to choose a create a new key pair. I have already many skills, but we are going to create a new key pair to see the how to create a key pair to getting a good knowledge about it. So we are going to name is a dev hyphen key. So there are two types of key private key format. First of all is a .bam, then second is a .ppk. So I am going to with the PAM because it is a open SSH. We can use a git bash if you are choosing a .pam. If you are choosing a, you will choose .ppk, so you can use as a putty. Okay, so don't worry, you will go with PAM. Create a key pair. Our key pair has been downloaded, you can see. And next step is very important, network setting. It is a VPC, it is a default, we don't use, we don't need to change, but you will have to know about auto sign public IP. If you will enable, so you can see a public IP. If you will click the disable, you don't see public IP, so that you can't connect with you can't connect with Ubuntu server because you have your data disabled. So you have to always enable. Okay, so next step is create a security group. I have already many security groups. So you can see here default Jenkins node. So I am going to create a security group. It is a security group name. You can write any name. First, for example, Hindu. Okay, you can write any name. Don't worry. It is a description. you don't need. It is, yes, it is a inbound security rule. Inbound means it is a, we can access, we can access all the services, okay, all the services with the help of inbound rule. So in the upcoming lecture we will provide a depth knowledge of how you can use inbound security group rule, because it is a very, plays a very crucial role in our applications. Without inbound security rules we can't access outbound traffic with the instance. So you have to getting the knowledge about inbound rule. So don't worry, it is a default. Okay, remove. After that, you you have to choose 8 GB storage. Your free tier eligible, you can get up to 30 GB. You have you need only 8 GB. It will be enough. So if you want to uh, if you want to attach a more GB, so you more than 30 GB should be have, because less than 30 GB it is a free tier. After that, after onwards, you have, you will receive a huge amount of by the Amazon AWS service. You can 24, you can put the 8. 8 is enough, don't worry. Advanced details, you don't need to learn about advanced details. It, yes, it is good. It is a user data. It is a optional if you want to run Nginx servers, any small servers. If you don't have a knowledge about any servers, so you can skip. After the, in the upcoming lecture I will use it user data, because it is not a mandatory. So click on the launch instance and our EC2 instance will be created in the very simple method way. Thank you. Subscribe our YouTube channel.